Okay, this was sent over by YUNZII. YUNZII, where art meets the next level of typing. Okay, I love these mechanical keyboards. Check this thing out. We're gonna go to the overhead. So you gotta love the sound of it. The old sound. I'm not a very good typer, but you get the picture, right? So it's got your all your bells and whistles here, right? And Bluetooth or internet will Wi-Fi. It'll Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connect. It'll connect to just about anything. Um, you can customize it. It's got a bunch of shortcuts that you can do. It's got some weight to it. It's not light. It's not a plastic thing. It's kind of heavy duty. Um, yeah, and we're gonna check this out, hook it up, and go from there. But that's the the Al80 wireless, okay, mechanical keyboard. There's a multi-function knob up here, right? And that's this one up here in the corner, right? And so that's short press. You can do the volume. You can mute it if you press it, and very nice. Um, like I said, it's got a bunch of shortcuts to it. Keyboard shortcuts, but that's a lot of people like the heaviness of it and the mechanical sound that it makes when you're typing, right? When you're typing, right? So there you can get a good look at it right there, right? And there's that multi-function button that I'm telling you. You can do the volume and mute it by pressing it. And also over here has an OLED screen, okay? And you can you have the home page on here. You can have picture pages on here. You can have GIFs on here. Pretty cool device, right? So you know, and you gotta love the sound of busy people at work, right? What do you think of that?